Hello everyone students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So do you have remember what we have studied in our previous class? In our previous class we have started the chapter number 10, that is the respiration in organism. Okay, and in that we have studied that what is meant by the respiration. So respiration is nothing but what? It is a part of breathing only, and we have seen that in respiration our food gets breaks down and energy is released. Okay, so that is known as respiration, and respiration, when the energy is released, so along with that some products also form. We have studied in that in the cellular respiration the breaking down of food takes place with the energy of release of energy. Okay, so that is known as the cellular respiration, and it takes place where? It takes place in the cells. Okay, then after that we have studied about the two types of respiration, that is the aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. So what is meant by aerobic respiration? So what we have studied in that, when our glucose means food breaks down but in presence of oxygen, so that is known as aerobic respiration. And what product is formed during the aerobic respiration? That is the carbon dioxide, water along with the releasing of energy. Okay, and when the anaerobic respiration takes place, so that means it takes place in absence of oxygen. Okay, so means the food is break down but in absence of oxygen, means without the use of oxygen. And which products are formed during this anaerobic respiration? Alcohol and carbon dioxide. Okay, along with the releasing of energy. So this is the difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So anaerobic respiration is also takes place in where? In muscles also. You know what students, when we do any heavy exercise or running and cycling, walking, then or you can say the lifting of heavy objects, so in such cases our body needs more energy. Okay, जब हम कोई physical activity करते हैं heavy exercise वाला, so that in that case our body needs more energy. Okay, and in that केस अवर ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई इज़ लेस. हमारे टाइम मतलब उस टाइम पे हमें क्या होता है? लेस ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई होता है. ओके, सो दैट टाइम आवर मसल्स occur in muscles. Which kind of respiration is occurs? Anaerobic respiration. Okay, and which product is formed in that case? Lactic acid is formed. Okay, so muscles also do the respires anaerobically with the producing of lactic acid. Okay, and in which cases? During the heavy exercise and all. Okay, so when this lactic acid is formed, so our body suffers which problem? Our body get muscle cramps. आपने सुना होगा, have you heard this word muscle cramps? जब हमें होता है, so our means we feel the pain for this. ठीक है, muscle cramp के वजह से हमें क्या होता है? muscles में pain होता है. So how we get relief from this muscle cramp? By taking the bath of hot water. Okay, or you can say you can take the massage also. Okay, so by hot water bath or massage improves the blood circulation. उससे क्या होता है? हमारे blood circulation improve होता है, और जो muscle cramps आए हैं उससे भी हमें क्या मिलता है? relief मिलता है. Means as a result what happens? The supply of oxygen to the muscle cells increases. जो oxygen supply जो लेस हो रहा था वो क्या हो गया? इंक्रीज हो गया. सो मसल्स गेट ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई प्रॉपरली, एंड द इंक्रीज ऑफ ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई टू द मसल्स क्या होता है? इट इंक्रीज द कंप्लीट ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ लैक्टिक एसिड इनटू कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर. जहाँ पे लैक्टिक एसिड फॉर्म हुआ था उससे क्या हुआ? इट फॉर्म्स द अगेन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर. अंडरस्टूड? सो दिस एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन इज ऑल्सो अकर्स इन मसल्स ऑल्सो. ओके, now we will see the next part, that is the breathing. All of you understood the aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration, and anaerobic respiration which occurs in the muscles. That is the because of that muscle cramps are occurs. Okay, so now here we will start to our next topic, that is the breathing. All of you know that what is meant by breathing. Breathing means what? Breathing involves inhalation and exhalation. That is the taking of oxygen and removing of carbon dioxide. We take the oxygen from air. That this process is known as inhalation, जिसमें हम क्या करते हैं? बॉडी में ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं एयर से, एंड वी गिव आउट द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी. ठीक है, हम क्या करते हैं, रिमूव करते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को. सो दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज एक्सेलेशन प्रोसेस. सो दीज इनहेलेशन एंड एक्सेलेशन प्रोसेस इज गोइंग ऑन continuously. Okay, and throughout the life this process is occurs in all the living organism. जब तक हम लोग लाइफ मतलब है तब तक हमारी, जब तक लाइफ है तब तक हमारी ये ब्रीदिंग प्रोसेस क्या होगी, कंटिन्यूसली अकर्स रहेगी. मीन्स इट कैन कंटिन्यूसली अकर्स थ्रू आउट द होल लाइफ, इट विल नेवर स्टॉप. ओके, सो this breathing process is very much important for all the living organisms, means for humans, for animals, for insects, and even for the plants also. Okay, now what is meant by breathing rate? Breathing rate means what? The number of times a person breathes in minute. एक मिनट में हम कितनी बार ब्रीदिंग करते हैं, so that number of times of breathing is known as a breathing rate. Okay, breathing rate means what? A person in 1 minute how much times he or she can breathe. So that rate is known as a breathing rate. Understood? Now tell me students, can breathing rate it can be same for all the time? Means just like when you are sitting on a place, okay, and suppose if you are running, so in both the cases can your breathing rate can be same? No, obviously not. Okay, our breathing rate can be different for all the different activities. Okay, now here one activity is given, means figure 10.3. just see the figure 10.3. here there are different processes of living humans are shown. जैसे कि डायग्राम्स बताइए जिसमें डिफरेंट हम क्या करते हैं, हमारी डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज शो की है. just like in first figure, lady is washing the clothes. Okay, then in another diagram, man is sleeping, in sleeping process, sitting process, or in dancing, or in simply running process, or doing any heavy physical exercise activity. So in all different kinds of processes we need the energy, but differently. Okay, when we are doing any heavy exercise or heavy physical activity, so in that cases we need more energy. Okay, so our breathing rate will be high. जब हम कुछ बहुत हेवी वर्क कर रहे होंगे, मतलब कुछ एक्सरसाइज लाइक या कुछ ज़्यादा मेहनत का काम कर रहे होंगे, सो दैट टाइम वी नीड द more energy and our breathing rate will be high. But when we are just sitting or sleeping or just simply walking, so in that cases our body needs low energy, so our breathing rate will be normal. Okay, so breathing rate is different for all the different activities. Understood?